The question of whether robots will become citizens is no longer just science fiction. As artificial intelligence and robotics advance rapidly, societies around the world are grappling with the legal, ethical, and social implications of granting robots some form of citizenship or legal personhood. Let's explore the arguments for and against robot citizenship, the technological and legal challenges, and the potential societal impacts. The case for robot citizenship. Proponents argue that as robots become more sophisticated, capable of reasoning, learning, and interacting like humans, they could warrant a form of legal recognition akin to citizenship. This idea gained traction when Saudi Arabia granted citizenship to Sophia, a humanoid robot, in 2017. Though largely symbolic, the move sparked debate about what citizenship could mean for non-human entities. Advocates suggest that robots with advanced artificial intelligence could contribute to society through labor, creativity, or caregiving, potentially justifying rights like protection from abuse or the ability to vote in limited contexts, such as algorithmic decision-making systems. Citizenship for robots could also address practical needs. As robots integrate into economies, they may require legal frameworks to operate autonomously, own assets, or enter contracts. For instance, a self-driving car or a delivery drone might need a legal identity to navigate liability in accidents or transactions. Recognizing robots as citizens could streamline these interactions, ensuring accountability and clarity in human-robot collaborations. The case against robot citizenship. Trusting autonomous robots as citizens or legal entities poses significant risks across legal, ethical, and social domains. One major issue is liability ambiguity. When robots act independently and cause harm, it becomes unclear who is responsible, potentially allowing humans to evade accountability. Ethically, robots lack consciousness and moral judgment, making it problematic to grant them rights or responsibilities akin to humans without undermining human dignity. Privacy concerns arise as robots collect vast amounts of personal data, increasing risks of misuse and surveillance. Additionally, embedded AI can perpetuate biases, leading to discrimination in decisions made by autonomous robots. Over-reliance on robots may also reduce human autonomy and foster unhealthy psychological dependencies. Technologically speaking, robots are not yet at a point where they exhibit true sentience or moral agency. Right now, current artificial intelligence, including large language models and humanoid robots, operates on predictive algorithms and data processing, not, actual consciousness. Figuring out when or if a robot achieves sentience is still a pretty big philosophical and scientific hurdle, which, honestly, complicates any legal framework for citizenship. Legally, citizenship for robots would definitely require redefining existing systems. International laws vary on citizenship criteria, and they're usually tied to things like birth, residency, or naturalization, none of which, really, apply straightforwardly to robots. As we ponder the possibility of robots becoming citizens, it's natural to feel a mix of awe, curiosity, and maybe even a bit of unease. What do you think? Should robots ever call our society home as citizens? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.